Before we dive into the latest news, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that like button for more updates on your favorite movies and TV shows. What makes a romance novel truly unforgettable? Is it the swoon-worthy love interest, the relatable heroine, or the emotional roller coaster that leaves you breathless? For fans of Colleen Hoover, it's a combination of all these elements that has captivated readers worldwide, right? Um, and One of Hoover's most beloved novels, It Ends With Us, has already made its way to the big screen, starring Blake Lively and Justin Baldoni. The movie's massive success has sparked a new wave of interest in the author's works, and we're excited to announce that another adaptation is on the horizon. Reminders of Him is the latest Colleen Hoover novel to be adapted into a film, slated for release on February 13th, 2026. The story follows a woman who returns to her hometown after a 5-year prison stint, only to find herself caught between her past and present loves. And what makes this adaptation particularly interesting is that Colleen Hoover herself is penning the screenplay alongside Lauren Levine, with over 6.5 million copies sold worldwide. Reminders of Him has already proven to be a fan favorite, and we really can't wait to see it come to life on the big screen of, the big screen. Um, but what does this mean for fans of It Ends With Us? Um, uh, Unfortunately, rumors of a sequel seem unlikely, with Blake Lively and Justin Baldoni reportedly not collaborating again. However, Reminders of Him promises to deliver the same emotional intensity and romantic drama that made It Ends With Us such a hit. Um, as one fan joked, Colleen Hoover's novels are like a box of chocolates. You never know when you'll need a tissues break. Um, with Reminders of Him on the horizon, it's clear that the author's unique blend of romance and real life struggles is here to stay. With that said, thanks for watching. And until next time,